Today, let's talk about the context of the Bitcoin price, because without that, you can't really trade the Bitcoin. You're trading it blindly, one could say, if you don't know what is actually happening. So what we can do is basically zoom out, go into the daily time frame, and as you can see, we were in a very big downtrend. We went to the downside, we had little consolidation, broke down again to the downside, consolidation to the downside, consolidation to the downside. What we had done already is we had a consolidation and break to the upside, yeah? So that is the first sign of strength, really important and interesting to see, something new, yeah? Not again a consolidation and breaking down to the downside. We broke out to the upside. So that is really great. Okay, so let's look at these consolidations. So what we can see is that we have entered into this consolidation zone. What I can do is basically show my fixed range basically pulls. So let's hide maybe this one like that. And as you can see, I've marked these consolidations. And as you can see, we are slightly above, basically, we are in between this range and this range. What does that mean? If we zoom in, maybe go to an hourly time frame, what we can see here is that basically the low of this range is the resistance, and the point of control of this range is our support. Yeah, as you can see, we had a consolidation right here also at the point of control. Just below it, we broke to the upside, and it is right now acting as a support. Very simply, we are in a range. We are in this range. So as you can see, very, very nicely, we have a resistance, the high, the low of this range. So naturally, once support is broken, it should act as a resistance. This is what we see. Really nice. And also, once that was a resistance level, once we broke it to the upside, it is right now acting as a support. Yeah, really nice. Also, the point of control is the support of this current range low. Really nice. So basically what I am expecting is for Bitcoin to range more right here. Yeah, because we're looking again for the, basically I'm not looking for the breakout, but we can definitely expect the breakout because as you know, 80% of the time price is ranging, and then 20% of the time it is basically going impulsive to the downside or to the upside. So that is one thing which you have to know. So very simply, I am trading the range until it breaks. And what is important, in my opinion, in this range is one daily level, which is currently acting as a support, right? With this one. So if we go to the downside, and if we start to lose this daily level, this is the first sign of weakness that we can go back inside of this range, because as you can see, the market structure is not very good. Right here, we just went to the upside with no time, basically. And that means that we can also go to the downside really, really quickly, as we went to the upside right here. So that is really important level, in my opinion. If we'll see a closes below this daily level, if we'll see a really nice retest, well, you should be prepared for that, in my opinion. So that is the current support, which I'm looking at in this current range, yeah. Also, what I want to show you is the actually really nice speed fans, which I have. Where we are. So right here, I have a speed fans. And look at this. Support right here. Support, support. And resistance, resistance, resistance. If we zoom out, you can see where I pulled it from. So it's a little bit messy, yeah, right now. What I can do is maybe hide some of them, which are not relevant for us. Yeah, I could say that this is not very relevant. So very, very simply, yeah, what we have is the speed fan taken from this low to the high. As you can see, this speed fan 7.5 is acting as a resistance right here. That is really nice. As you can see, it acted as a resistance right here. And the bigger speed fan 0.5, as you can see, I pulled it from 28k. Oh no, I pulled it all the way from the start basically of the bull run, you could say, at the 13th of March 2020. And as you can see, this really big speed fan acted as a support right here, and it is acting as a support right here. Look at this support and look at this support. Yeah, really nice. In my opinion, this is a magical speed fan pulse. really great. And basically that is what I'm looking at. Again, if I show you my all speed fans, yeah, you can see that basically we are in a consolidation. We have a support and we have a resistance. So yeah, I'm not looking for any breakouts. So this is really interesting in my opinion. And also I want to show you the last thing is the trend lines, and they are right here. Look at the trend line. Yeah, we've got it from, again, from the same spot, I think. Not actually, it's from 8th of October 2020. Pulled to this pivot, 28k, yeah. And basically, as you can see, it acted as a support right here, really nicely, broke out. Basically, it made all people think that this is really bearish and we are going to the, I don't know, 10k. And then we went to the upside, and basically we are hovering above, or in between, basically above, below this trend line. So to me, again, it is not bearish, not bullish at all. We are in a consolidation, so that is just a thing that you have to monitor to see, because the trend line, as you can see, is respected. As you know, we have broke our downtrend line. It is basically, it was respected really nicely, but the last touch of this trend line was, it gave to us basically a very weak reaction compared to these ones, you know. And that is when we broke to the upside. Again, maybe this could be the same thing as we had right here. Yeah, we broke to the downside of this uptrend, broke to the downside, made people to think that this is bearish. Yeah. And then we went to the upside. Maybe this is the same case. We broke the downtrend, make everyone think that this is bullish, and basically then go to the downside. That would wreck also a lot of people. Yeah. So this is the things that you have to think. How market can make the most amount of pain to all people, and yeah, make your decisions and trade the chart. So basically, currently what I'm watching also is in this range, very simply, is the bigger range, and I guess we broke it already. Yeah, if we'll broke out of this range, of the previous day range, then I will look at this whole range. But if we'll be in this range, I will trade the previous day range. Yeah, the previous day from the low to the high, very simply, like that. So yeah, that is it for today. Really hope you liked it, and if you did, drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and see you later. Bye.